To show you the power of flex tape, I sawed this boat in half.